Well, he's off on the maiden voyage. The car has reverse now. You never even hear it go into reverse. With our custom stainless steel bushing. That is one happy dude right there. He's bought the car and he's only gotten to drive it 30 miles since he bought it. Massive oil leaks in it. Smoked a brand new clutch in it. So now we're gonna send him around the corner. All right, start cutting the wheel, Tommy. Go ahead, you got plenty of room. Go ahead, go back more. Plenty of room. All right, you're good. Now you can take off forward. Go run it around the block. Come back and tell me how you like it. Seeing this guy that happy and being able to drive his car and not worry about dumping oil all under it for the first time, that was well worth the all-nighter we just put in. Now I get to pack some cars away, wash up, and that's a wrap.